Ever dreamed of owning a folding bike that's compact, stylish, and perfect for city commuting, but thought they were way out of your budget? Well, think again. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 folding bikes for budget buyers. Bikes that deliver quality, performance, and portability without draining your wallet. Whether you're a student, a commuter, or just someone looking for a space-saving ride, these picks might surprise you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Home Finds, your go-to channel for smart, affordable product recommendations. Now let's roll into the list, and trust me, you'll want to see what made it to number 1. First up is the Schwinn Loop folding bike. Here are some advantages of the Schwinn Loop folding bike. Compact and portable, folds quickly for easy storage and transport, perfect for small spaces and on-the-go lifestyles. Smooth 7-speed ride. Enjoy effortless gear changes for city streets and light hills with the 7-speed twist shifter. Built for convenience. Comes with a rear cargo rack and carrying bag, making commuting and errands a breeze. Reliable and comfortable. Features 20-inch alloy wheels, street tires, and front-rear linear pull brakes for a stable, secure ride. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Zizzo Via folding bike. Here are some advantages for the Zizzo Via folding bike. Ultra-light and portable. Weighs just 26.5 pounds and folds in seconds into a compact size for effortless carrying and storage. Smooth 7-speed performance. Equipped with genuine Shimano components for reliable, easy gear shifting on any terrain. Built for comfort and convenience. Features a wider ergonomic saddle, resin folding pedals, and a magnetic latch to keep the frame secure when folded. Durable and all-terrain ready. Lightweight aluminum frame with 20-inch tires and front and rear fenders for confident rides in any weather. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Xspec folding bike. Here are some advantages for the Xspec folding bike. Quick and compact folding. Folds flat in seconds without tools, making it perfect for car trunks, closets, or office spaces. Versatile 721-speed options. Equipped with quality Shimano components for smooth gear shifting on city streets or rugged trails. Strong and durable build. High-tensile steel frame with alloy wheels and reliable braking system for safety and long-lasting performance. Comfort and convenience. Adjustable seat for various rider heights, plus a lightweight design for easy portability and commuting. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Dahon Mariner D8 folding bike. Here are some advantages for the Dahon Mariner D8 folding bike. Lightweight and rust-resistant. Built with an aluminum frame and corrosion-resistant finish, perfect for coastal environments and long-lasting durability. Compact and travel-friendly. Folds in seconds into a suitcase-like size, making it ideal for commuting, boating, or storing in tight spaces. Smooth 8-speed performance. Equipped with Shimano 8-speed drivetrain for effortless riding on city streets and light hills. Built for comfort and convenience. Features adjustable handlebars, full fenders, and a rear rack with bungee cords for practical everyday use. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. And fifth, we have the Eurobike 26-inch folding mountain bike. Here are some advantages for the Eurobike 26-inch folding mountain bike. Space-saving foldable design. Quick fold frame makes storage and transport effortless, perfect for apartments, car trunks, or travel. Versatile 721-speed system. Equipped with Shimano derailleur for smooth gear shifting across flat roads and steep trails. Full suspension comfort. Dual suspension absorbs shocks for a smoother, more controlled ride on rugged terrain. Reliable disc brakes. Front and rear disc brakes deliver strong, consistent stopping power for enhanced safety. Thank you so much for watching our video on the top 5 folding bikes for budget buyers. Quality without the price tag. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who might benefit. At Top Home Finds, our goal is to bring you the best value without compromising on quality. We wish you all the best in finding the perfect folding bike that fits your lifestyle and budget. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.